Welcome to EdTube. Today, we're covering the latest sports updates. If you love our content, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Bin Girmay's inner motivation, resilience, and victories are inspirational for future Eritrean generations. Eritrean Olympic swimmer Aaron Gebra placed fourth in the race at the Paris 2024 Olympics. Eritrea, with 4,685 points, is ranked 18th globally in the standings. Eritrea has moved from 20th to 18th place with 4,685 points, thanks to notable performances in cycling. The country's athletes are making significant strides in their achievements, particularly in cycling. Inter-marche supermarket. Eritrean runner Merhoi Mabratu will compete in the 10,000 meter at the Paris Olympics on August 2nd on Friday. He is a silver medalist from the 2022 World U20 Championships in the 5,000 meter. Eritrean fans all around. Stunning view Bin Girmay with Eritrean fans.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to EdTube, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring you more content. See you in the next video.